company has been in existence ever since 2004. My seasonings are all natural and they are healthy, packed with a lot of different nutritional ingredients such as rosemary, lavender, cumin, parsley, ginger, garlic, and all that good stuff. Okay, my sauces are actually made with my seasonings ingredients that I incorporated in there, which is no high fructose corn syrup. I use no granulated white sugar that have chemicals in it, as well as my maple syrups that I make. I use all natural sweeteners like raw honey and molasses and stuff like that. The doctor discovered that my mother had colon cancer inside her intestines. So after we heard that, all heads dropped. And people, when they hear cancer, it just like, what can we do? So I did a research on the different herbs and spices that can help fight against problems like cancer and other health problems. So once I did my research, I came up with the seasoning called World Renowned Seasoning. And after I did that, I started incorporating it in her meals and letting her try it. And so on, she been doing it, and it actually slowed down the cancer cells from growing larger. So once it stopped there, the doctor was able to remove it in time. So she been cancer free for about 3 years. Well, my detox waters are all natural. What I do is a real simple, easy recipe. There's no secret to it, but it actually helps with clearing immune system, which is toxic parasites and viruses out of your body. It's a water with lemon juice, turmeric, and cumin seeds, and you boil it. And you can also infuse it with other stuff like apple mint, rosemary, basil, and so on. We do the water in the morning time, and then you do the teas in the afternoon. That's actually a better option to drink rather than drinking, like people drink soda pops and stuff like that, which have a lot of carbs and calories in there, different sugars and all that bad stuff, which I'm not saying that you want to take yourself completely off of it, but this is actually a better way to kind of cleanse your immune system and your arteries and blood cells from eating bad food like fried chicken and a lot of breads and pastas and stuff. It actually help out with all that. The purpose of this whole thing is, I guess, the more fun items and things that you have in life that people enjoy, from cooking, from gardening, planting, learning the different herbs and spices. People say, how can you manage all them things? Well, it's going to take help, and it takes people that are willing to learn to do these things. So I can't take off and let it pass to the next generation of, young Chef Adrian O'Brien's or so on. And also as well as keeping me out of trouble, like hanging around the wrong crowds. But there's other things that you can learn to do that can keep the youth out of trouble, especially during this time of year when everybody's out of school, because kids will be looking for things to do and stuff. I see myself in 5 years, pretty much all over in different states, kind of preaching the same word, and pretty much my story of my different seasonings and sauces, and probably pretty much overseas. I put it in my small journal of how my restaurant probably look one day. It's mind blowing.